This 2018 Forest River ISATA 3 Series 24FW is a Class C RV. It is located in Joppa, Maryland, 21085 and is offered for sale by Chesaco RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and 0 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.